The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. Trevor Air and mascot John are here with Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical with information for homeowners on drains and how to keep things running smoothly at home. So Trevor, my first question for you is, why is it important for homeowners to stay ahead of something like drain issues?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, most drain issues don't happen overnight. It's a slow, gradual buildup. There's normally warning signs before it becomes a bigger issue. So things that we always tell customers to pay attention to are slow drains, weird sewer smells, very egg pungent and kind of rotten smelling there, gurgling in the toilet when you run the shower and try and drain that. So all those are big warning signs that there could be a bigger issue ready to rear its ugly head. So you want to definitely stay on top of that.
Something like sounds is not something that I would think would be an indicator of an issue, but it's really good that you pointed out. What are some common things that would cause drain clogs in homes?
So, you know, in kitchens, which is our most used sink there, grease, coffee grounds, food scraps, eggshells especially, and then just starches too. If we're dumping bread down the garbage disposal, we think that's a catch-all, and it will slowly build up inside the pipes and eventually cause a full backup where you can't use your sink at all.
Wow. Well, when I think about drain clogs as well, I think about shower and how I lose hair every single time I take a shower.
Yeah, absolutely. So bathroom ones, hair is the most common one there. We're also in Central Texas, so our AC actually drains underneath our bathroom sinks. So if you ever see that black hose in there, that's the condensate line coming from your furnace upstairs in the attic, which is the most common place for those. And so that just builds up over time, so you can't flush anything down your sink. And then it also causes HVAC issues as well, where AC won't cool. So that's a super big thing.
Talk to me about what a call to Radiant looks like. What happens when you guys come out?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we send out one of our licensed drain technicians. They're going to come out. They're going to assess the entire drain system. Even if you just call us out for a kitchen sink, we're going to check the rest of the drains, make sure it's not a bigger problem. Drains are kind of like a tree. You've got one big line, that's your trunk, and then all your bathrooms, kitchen fixtures are branch lines. So we want to make sure that that branch line isn't affecting something in the trunk there. We're open nights, weekends, and holidays at no additional charge, because we know when drain problems happen, it's not convenient. So we want to get out to you as soon as possible. So we always offer same-day service.
That is really nice of you. Okay, Trevor, we appreciate your time. John, you were lovely. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Visit radiant.com to schedule today, and remember, just call Radiant. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical.